barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us. Folks, today we're going to do some testing on a charcoal chimney. Alright, now let me give you some backstory on this. A couple of months back, I had David Parrish from Adrenaline Barbecue over here. Y'all know him, he's the one that created the slow and sear. He came over and introduced his new steak searing technique. I call it the spinny grate technique, but he calls it the cold grate technique. So y'all look for that video. But I had also, besides David, I had Brother James from Aim 'em and Claim 'em Smokers over here, and also Brother Justin from Baby Bag Maniac. Justin brought his BBQ Dragon Fan. All right, this is a flexible snake kite fan. You know, it's got a little clip on it. You clip it onto your grill or your pit. It's got a little adjustable knob here. You can adjust the speed of the fan. But I was really impressed, man. We needed something like this to get those charcoals really fire hot, man, to sear that steak on that cold grate technique. So I was really impressed with this. I went out and bought this. While I was on Amazon getting this, I also saw some other products from BBQ Dragon. One of them was something called a chimney of insanity. It's a charcoal chimney. Folks, that's what we're testing out today against the Weber Chimney. Just stick around. All right, folks, let's see if we can point out some differences between the Weber Chimney and this BBQ Dragon chimney. There you go, you see them right down there. Got them sitting on my Weber kettle here. And the first off, you see the Weber has this nice handle right here. You can grab it with double hand, you know. And if you look, it's larger around. See the difference in the circumference there? This one is pretty, it's still big, but it's nowhere near the size of the Weber, all right? And you've got the, you know, y'all familiar with this, and I'm not going to really explain that. I'm going to explain this one for you. If y'all look under here, see this pipe? There's your intake right there. I mean, it's got some more, it's got actually BBQ Dragon, you know, stenciled in there or whatever, but cut in there. But you can see that pipe through here. So what you do, you stick your lighter stuff in here, the paper, whatever you light, and put it in this tube. And then put your charcoal in here. It's got a flat bottom. You can see that pipe comes up in the center in there. And that's going to produce a nice draft up through this thing. Plus, it'll actually, I haven't really tested a whole lot, a couple times, but from what I've determined, the smaller size actually does heat up the coals more in a draft. So we're going to test that out today. And also, you can use this fan, okay? Let me show you. Put this fan in here like that. Turn that baby on, and you're ready to rock and roll, man. Just like that. So we're going to do a test on that here in a little bit. I think that's going to be a good one because they claim you can light your charcoals in this chimney of insanity in like 3 to 4 minutes. So we're going to do this first test, and then we're going to come back with the fan. Y'all stick around. Let me get these things loaded up. All right, we're back. I got them loaded with Kingsford Blue, 50 charcoal briquettes in each one. Let me show you the difference, folks. You can see this one right here. This one's almost full. Let me bring it down here. See right here, this one is almost full. Okay? Now, that's the BBQ Dragon. The Weber, it's only a little past halfway full. Y'all can see that. Hopefully you can. I can't really see what the camera's seeing because of my sunlight out here. It's a glaring angle. So what I'm gonna do, let me get over here where I think y'all can get a good aim at it going on over here. Anyway, I got some of these little tumbleweed things on the chimney of insanity. I'm gonna put it in here in a little tube, and on this Weber chimney, I'm just gonna light it like I naturally would. All right, we're gonna light that baby up. Get it going good. I'm gonna light this one in here. Let that baby go. All right, what time is it? All right, 6:38. Hopefully y'all can see that. 6:38 p.m. We're gonna time this. We're gonna see. In fact, I'm gonna put my timer on. We're gonna see how long it takes for these things to go. Where's my stop timer? There we go. Stop timer. Start that baby up. All right. See how long it takes these to go. And again, equal number of charcoal briquettes, but we're gonna see if this one is faster without the fan, just because it's a smaller diameter. And also, let me get you up here where I can talk to you. It's a smaller diameter on the BBQ Dragon, Plus it's got that tube that's like sucking air like a chimney would in your house, okay? Whereas the Weber chimney, it's just pulling air from all around, plus it's a larger circumference. And I just don't think the airflow is gonna, it's got more space, more air volume, but the air is not being forced up like it is in the BBQ Dragon. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna turn out. I'll bring you back when one of them is hot, or if both of them finish the same time. We'll bring you back and show you what the results are. Y'all stay tuned. All right, gang, we're 15.5 minutes in according to my timer right here. Let's take a look. I think they're almost ready. There you go, folks. This is the Weber, this is the BBQ Dragon. I've got to hand it to the Weber on this test. Let's do the next one with the fan. All right, guys, I just finished dumping all that charcoal into my Weber kettle. I'm gonna grill me a steak later. Maybe I'll show you some pictures of that. But I found out something. When I went to pick up the Weber chimney, all right, the handle was extremely hot, okay, which is normal, all right. It's got the double thing to help you with that, and you can also wear some barbecue gloves if that's a problem for you. But I found that the BBQ Dragon handle was not hot. I don't know if it's made out of, or if it's just got a thicker deflector plate between that and the chimney, you know, but it's definitely a lot easier to handle the BBQ Dragon. But on this particular test, the Weber outperformed as far as lighting charcoals. So we'll be right back. We're gonna hook the fan up to the BBQ Dragon with some more charcoal. Let's see how quick it goes then. All right, folks, let's get ready to do the second test of the BBQ Dragon Chimney of Insanity using the fan this time. I've got it fully loaded once again. I'll let it cool off. As you can see, I can touch it. I've got it on my Yoda Wichita over here just because my my Weber kettle is already full of 2 chimneys of charcoal. Anyway, this thing, like I said earlier, it's got a little clamp. So just clamp this on anywhere that you can find a place. I'm gonna clamp it on the inside, or right on the outside edge of my, there you go, like that. Hopefully y'all can see that. Let me bring it down here where y'all can see what's going on. So, I got it clamped here to the inside of the wall of my cooking chamber. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and load this baby up. Shove that in there. Right where it starts to bend up, I'm pushing it in that far. Gonna let this light up. And what you want to do is give this a minute or so until some of the white smoke that billows out starts dying down a little bit. And then at that point, I'll bring you back. We're gonna hook the fan up to it, folks. Oh, I forgot. I am gonna start a timer. Start to finish. All right, folks, we're just crossing 2 minutes on this timer. So I'm gonna go ahead and it's still got a little bit of smoke, but that's cool. That's cool. That's kind of what you want. Just, I mean, make sure you got your good fire going before you hook the fan into it. And hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing here. This fan fits perfectly in the snout of that tube right there. And just gently turn the fan on. Turn it on slow, very slow, for, I don't know. Turn it on very slow. Let's go about 30 seconds. All right, we're getting 3 minutes here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this baby up full steam. I just had it cracked open. All right, folks, we're 5.5 minutes in. As you can see, I think that's good enough for my purposes. We're good to go. I'm gonna bring you in close. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this fan off so we can pull it out of there. There we go. Get that fan off of here, just like that. I'd say that's going pretty doggone good, folks. So what was that, 5.5 minutes from the time basically I lit that starter in there until you see it here. I can get you a little closer, hang on. There you go, so that's where we're at. You can see there's still some coals on the very top that need to get done, but I'm satisfied with this. The combination of the fan and the chimney, the way it's designed. If you need some quick charcoal, hot, ready to go, that's a great combo. So there you are, folks. Got the Chimney of Insanity here from BBQ Dragon. I provided the info there for you. Did this little experiment. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If it's for you or not, that's up to you to determine. For me personally, I just like being relaxed, low and slow. I don't mind the 15-20 minute wait for that charcoal to heat up on the regular Weber chimney. But man, if you're looking to grill a steak, or if your wife's really hungry and you need to get some charcoals lit ASAP, BBQ Dragon, folks, y'all check it out. Put some links for you down below and in my Amazon store if you're interested. If y'all like this, y'all want to see some more experimenting, y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all want to see, and I'll see if I can make it happen. But y'all give me some thumbs up if you're not subbed yet. Hope you go ahead and subscribe to old T-Roy. I'd appreciate it. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. Recently, I had brother Jason, not Jason, hang on, Justin. Hang it, man. Why you do that to me, James?